Hi, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of funded trading programs, especially focusing on what's new and best in 25. Whether you're just starting or looking to optimize your path to funding, we want to give you clear insights. We'll walk through evaluation rules, account types, risk management, payouts, and more. Our aim is to help you understand how these programs work so you can decide which is best suited for your trading style and goals. So, stick with us. By the end, you'll have a solid grasp on how to get funded and succeed. Hey, quick heads up! I've got exclusive discounts and coupon codes from 30% to 90% waiting for you in the description, thanks to our partnership with major prop firms in the market. And if you want detailed, honest reviews on funded trading programs and prop firms, just head over to tradingfunder.com. All right, let's continue with the presentation. Bulenox account types and rules. Bulenox provides a variety of evaluation accounts to suit traders of different levels. There are 5 main types, starting from small micro accounts at 10K up to large 250K accounts. Each account has a set profit target that traders need to hit during the evaluation phase to qualify for a funded account. Think of it like a ladder. The bigger the account, the higher your potential profits, but also more rules to follow. Table 1 in their info summarizes these tiers, including max contracts, profit targets, and drawdown limits. Understanding these tiers helps you plan your trading approach effectively. Evaluation stage and risk management. When starting your evaluation, Bulenox offers 2 main options. Option 1, which uses a trailing drawdown that follows your account's high point during the day, and Option 2, which uses an end-of-day EOD drawdown plus scaling plans and daily loss limits. The trailing drawdown means your account's loss threshold moves up as your account grows, but if your balance drops below the trail, the account is closed. Option 2 is more forgiving intraday, since it only evaluates at day's end and includes limits on how much you can lose in a single day. Both options require strict adherence to risk rules, but give traders flexibility to manage risk and growth. Trailing drawdown explained. Let's unpack the trailing drawdown. It means your maximum allowed loss moves up as your account makes gains during the day. Imagine you start with 100K and have a 3K trail. If your account hits 102K, the trail becomes 99K, protecting your profits. If your balance then dips below 99K, the account closes. This method rewards consistent trading and allows for intraday volatility, but requires careful monitoring. Unrealized gains also increase the trail, so sudden large spikes can temporarily raise your buffer. Since there's no daily loss limit, the focus is purely on staying above your trail at all times. EOD drawdown and scaling plan. With the end-of-day EOD drawdown approach, your account's loss limit only moves up at the end of each trading day when a new high is reached. For example, if your account hits a new peak of 102K, your drawdown threshold is adjusted to 99K. This method provides more breathing room intraday as fluctuations don't affect the drawdown until the day's close. Additionally, Option 2 accounts have a scaling plan where position sizes grow as profits accumulate, starting small and increasing with milestones. But there are daily loss limits to prevent big losses, which vary depending on account size. Once a certain profit level is hit, the drawdown threshold locks in, providing stability for the trader. Daily loss limits and scaling. For Option 2 accounts, Bulenox imposes daily loss limits to control risk. For example, a 10K account might have a 400 loss limit, while a 250K account can go up to 4,500. If you reach this limit during a trading day, your trading stops for that day, but your account isn't failed unless overall drawdown rules are broken. The scaling plan also adjusts your allowed position size based on your profits. More profits, bigger contracts. This helps traders grow their positions safely while avoiding large drawdowns. These limits are essential for risk management, keeping your trading within manageable bounds. No minimum or maximum days to qualify. One of the most flexible features is that Bulenox no longer requires a minimum number of days to qualify. You could, in theory, hit your profit target in just one day if you're consistent and follow the rules. There's also no maximum time. You can take as long as needed, as long as your subscription is active. This flexibility allows skilled traders to accelerate their path to funding or take their time to improve. Remember, days only count if you actually place trades, so you don't have to trade every day, just when you see opportunities. Consistency rule and inactivity policy. To promote consistent trading and prevent big one-day wins from passing the evaluation, Bulenox enforces a 40% profit limit per day. For instance, if your total profit is $20K, you can't have more than $8K profit in a single day. This encourages traders to spread gains over multiple days, leading to more sustainable growth. Also, traders must stay active. If no trades are placed for 5 consecutive days, the account can be suspended or closed without notice. This policy ensures traders remain engaged and avoid complacency, fostering disciplined, steady trading habits. Allowed instruments and trading hours. Bulenox supports trading across a broad spectrum of CME futures, equity indices like ES and NQ, currency futures like EUR and JPY, energy futures such as crude oil, metals, and even micro Bitcoin futures. All positions must be closed by 3:59 p.m. CST each trading day. No overnight holds on larger accounts, only on micro accounts. Weekend and holiday holds are also prohibited, ensuring risk stays within daily limits. There are no restrictions on trading times or news events, so traders can operate during their preferred hours, provided they respect the daily close rule. This flexibility allows traders to adapt to their strategies comfortably. Account resets and funded accounts. If you violate a rule, like hitting your drawdown, Bulenox allows you to reset your evaluation account instead of starting over entirely. A reset restores your balance to the initial amount, giving you another chance. It costs a fee, about $78, and resets all prior trading days and profits to 0. Additionally, when your monthly subscription renews, Bulenox might grant a free reset if your account was blown, allowing you to keep trading without extra cost. Remember, resets are a tool to recover from mistakes, but they also mean starting fresh, so discipline remains key. Transition from evaluation to funding. Once you successfully complete 3 payouts in your master account, Bulenox may transition you to a live funded account, meaning real trading capital is now at your disposal. This decision is at their discretion, based on your performance and consistency. The funded account has a one-time activation fee, which varies depending on the size, say $248 for 100K. There are no ongoing monthly fees, and you keep 90–100% of profits. Trading with real funds offers higher stakes but also higher rewards. The key is maintaining discipline and risk management to keep the account healthy and profitable. Funded account risk and payouts. In funded accounts, the drawdown stops trailing once you reach a certain buffer above your initial balance, meaning your risk is capped, and you won't lose more than a fixed amount. Profit sharing begins with you taking 90% of initial gains, then 90% again after surpassing certain thresholds. You can request payouts anytime, with a minimum of 5 trading days from your last payout, processed weekly, usually on Wednesdays. This system rewards consistent, disciplined trading, and ensures you can access your profits regularly while managing risk effectively. Conclusion and final tips. To wrap up, Bulenox's program in 2025 provides a flexible, trader-friendly environment with clear rules designed to help skilled traders get funded faster. Success depends heavily on managing your risk, following the rules, and maintaining consistency. Remember to leverage their discounts, stay active, and understand the mechanics of drawdown and scaling. Always keep learning and adapting your strategies. For the latest info, discounts, and updates, visit tradingfunder.com. Equip yourself with knowledge, stay disciplined, and you'll increase your chances of turning funded accounts into real trading success. Good luck.